So you've been going back and forth wondering if you should design your website yourself or if you should get it professionally designed. Well, in today's video, we will discuss why you should consider getting your website professionally designed. We'll discuss a few reasons why you should consider getting your website professionally designed. Reason 1. When you get your website professionally designed, it gives your website a custom feel. Therefore, your visitors get the experience that they would normally get if they walk into your establishment or if they met you. Do-it-yourself builders, or in this case DIY builders, they restrict your formatting, they restrict your graphics or images, and your text. Therefore, I don't know if you've ever noticed, but if you see a Shopify store, they all look kind of the same. There's different textures, different layouts, different backgrounds, but the formatting of the actual website is the same. It's kind of standardized. Therefore, when you're working with do-it-yourself builders, it doesn't give you that customization that you want, and it doesn't allow your customers to get the exact experience that they should feel with your business. The next reason why you should consider getting your website professionally designed is for SEO compliance, or search engine optimization. Basically, what that is it helps your website to be found better through Google ranking. Between keywords and alternative text for your imaging and things like that, it helps to increase your SEO, which in turn increases your Google ranking, which makes it easier for your potential customers to find you. When working with a do-it-yourself builder, you're restricted to the basic SEO that website provides. However, when you're dealing with a professional website designer, they're able to customize and tailor your SEO to your specific business needs. The third reason that you should consider getting your website professionally designed is for webmaster services. As we all know, websites are ever-changing. Once your website is finished being designed, it's never really complete. It always needs to be updated with relevant information, pictures, products, services, whatever the case may be. Therefore, you should work with a professional designer who has webmaster services, maybe monthly or yearly, that allows them to cater to your website needs, keep it up to date for your customers and clients, and make sure it's running in tip-top shape when it comes to security, when it comes to uptime, and when it comes to making sure that everything is safe for your customers and for your clients. The important thing to consider when you're looking about designing a website yourself or getting your website professionally designed is to know the stage of your business. You should know if at this stage in your business, if you're looking for proof of concept, or if you're looking to see who your target market is, or if you're looking to expand your business and acquire new clients and new customers, you should know which stage your business is in. No one knows your business as well as you do. Therefore, that will allow you to know as well, if I'm searching for proof of concept for my business idea, product, or service, I should maybe play it safe right now and build my website myself. Therefore, I can keep my costs and my overhead low. Whereas if you are an established business, maybe you've been in business for 2, 5 years, 10 years, and now you're looking to just expand and grow your business and really dominate your online website and your online sector. Therefore, it would be great if you would consider getting your website professionally designed, because you have someone who can really cater towards your vision and execute it perfectly.